Hi, I'm Marsh from CNC Marine. Thanks for your interest in the Pure Plate in-person courses. I wanted to quickly run through what they're going to involve. The idea is that you have 4 days of intense workshop experience building a 4210 barra. First day, you start off with a TIG and a MIG and an introduction to the design of a CNC Marine boat. And that runs for about half the day. And we do that in 3 separate groups. Max individuals is 12 in the course, and we get anywhere from 8 to 12 in the general course. So at about the half day period, lunch will be provided, and lunch is provided every day. We will then get into the building of a boat. So we'll start with hull plates down, all of the parts are being pre-prepared for us so that we don't have to do the boring parts. We will learn how to put frames in and pull the hull up. At any time throughout the course, throughout the next 3.5 days, you're allowed to go back to the welding bays and have industry professionals overlook and help guide and teach you TIG welding or MIG welding in relation to aluminium. So over the next 3.5 days, we go right the way through the build of a boat and we touch on all of the tips and tricks and topics of putting a boat together. So you'll go from hull down, pull up with frames in, stringers, pulling the bow up, adding chines, side sheets. Now at this stage, we tend to move to another boat, and it's hey, we've prepared this one earlier, because there's about 2 or 3 days of just solid welding in between the two. So to avoid having to waste time doing that, we move on to the other one. There's still plenty of opportunity for plenty of welding experience within that first boat, but it means that we can move on to stuff like putting buoyancy foam in, deck stringers, fitting a deck. Fitting a deck is often quite difficult. And then we start sort of fitting out the boat with the components such as like gunnels. We build a console and other sort of parts like pockets and stuff like that. We also go through the building of a proper under-deck fuel tank and include talking about like pressure testing and how that is done. So during the 4-day intensive boat building course, you'll have myself and you'll have Luke from Mezcal Fab and a couple of other industry professionals to sort of guide you through. You feel free to ask any questions, you've got us at your complete disposal. So after the 4-day intensive course, you then gain access to the online course. Now this has got not only all of the course that you just completed in video format, but it also has stuff like how to build a trailer and how to sort of wire up your boat, a whole bunch of other things, and that continuously gets added to. That also means that when you decide to actually build your boat, you'll have access to course videos, but also support in the form of myself, Luke, and other professionals. The course is designed to be a bit more free about how and what you want to learn. You can focus on just TIG, you can focus on a lot of MIG, you can focus on just the build if you're already confident with those items. You kind of choose what you want to learn and what you want to get out of it. So lunch, snacks and drinks are provided throughout the course. So you need to bring steel cap boots, full length pants and shirt in non-flammable. We provide MIG and TIG gloves that you can take home with you and provide welding helmets. Now feel free to bring your own gear, that's all good. So feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. We can even jump on a call and we can chat it through. So I hope to see you at the in-person course where you can learn to build a bloody good plate boat like these ones.